Alright, this is part 5. It is Saturday late afternoon, January 23rd, 2022. I completed the drawing of two budgies, budgerigers, aka parakeets on the viewer's left there, off her right shoulder, and a few extra wing feathers there. Okay, budgies, what do you think? Okay, Chief Curator Chi, what do you think? Prime Minister Mazel? Huh? What do you think? You get camera shy. How about you, Your Royal Highness Princess Sibylla? And Hollywood starlet Blanche DuBois over there. Alright. Thank you. I'll take that chortling and chirping as a compliment. All right. Okay. There you have it for now. I haven't decided what I'm going to put in the upper end. Well, I know thematically I'm going to be depicting at least one allegorical sea monster. I haven't decided exactly what that will be yet. All right, to be continued.